Watch this dog find a tiny ball in a huge riverbed in just seconds.
Watch this.
His owner just threw a ball far across this empty riverbed. So far, you can barely see where it landed. For most dogs, that would be almost impossible to find. But this is a border collie.
Now, what's the chances of you finding that, Fetch King? You ready? Take your time. Was that not good enough? 3, 2, 1. Go on then.
The moment the ball hits the ground, he's already on the move. Nose down, focused, tracking the scent through the sand and mud. The area is huge, and the ball could be anywhere, but somehow he knows exactly where to look.
Go on. Milo assist. Wait. That way. Look.
Yeah, probably so.
And just seconds later, Noah,
Use that nose. Whoa.
there it is.
Oh,
Right on target.
that was brilliant.
For this dog, finding the ball isn't luck. It's pure instinct.
Right, now I gotta hope that he manages to get back to me fine. He should come through that gap in the bin. Yeah! Well done! Super! Yeah? Super! Well done, Fetch King. Hey, are you glad to be back at it? Give me a belly then. Roll over. Huh? Are you glad to be back at it? You look glad to be back at it. Good boy. Well done. That was brilliant.